Run, run, run. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Run. It's by One Republic, and we're gonna play this with the most basic chords, guys. Just stay tuned for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced way to play this. And before we get started, if you like the videos, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet but you're looking to learn guitar, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps the videos. Comment what you think about the video and like the video. All right, that being said, let's get right into it. So put your cap on fret number 2, and we're going to be playing the following chords. So first we have an A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Bear in mind my guitar is in standard tuning. And then from A minor we go to C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Okay. And then we go to G, which is 3, 2, open, open. 3, 2, open, 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 3. Okay, like that. And then lastly we have an F, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so you're barring the first fret, and then you have an E major in front of that. Okay, so now if you're a beginner player, you just want to strum this, and the chords are the same throughout the whole song. So you just have A minor, C, G to F. And my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down, up, 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 up. Okay, so down, down, up, up, up. That's it for each chord. And then if you're an intermediate player, you want to pluck the strings, right? So for A minor, you're going to have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are the strings that you're plucking. And then for C, you pluck 5, 4, 3. Sorry, for A minor, it's 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for C, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? And then you go to G and you're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. And then for F, you're plucking 6, 5, 4, 3. Right? And then the advanced player is going to want to play what they're playing on the song, that is plucking individual strings. And we're having, so that's 5 on A minor. We have 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4. Okay, so, and then we change. C, we're playing 5, 4, 1, 4. And then G, we're playing 6, 4, 2, 4. And then F, we have 6, 6, 5, 3, 5. All right, so we have A minor, that's 5, 4, 2, 4. And then C, 5, 4, 1, 4. And then G, 6, 4, 2, 4. And then F, 6, 5, 3, 5. All right, so sorry, A minor, C, G, and then F. And that is pretty much it for the whole song. I guess I'll check the song. If there's a progression change in the bridge, I will put it in the description or in the comment section. Otherwise, that's it. Do subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and do tell me know in the comment section below what other new songs that you'd like me to do on the channel. Peace.